Chapter 2. The Illusion of Separation by Victor Webley. The constant bombardment of information, the pressure to conform to societal norms, and the relentless pursuit of external validation often leave little room for introspection and the contemplation of a more unified reality. This perceived separation has far-reaching consequences on our daily lives. It colors our relationships, influencing how we interact with others, often leading to misunderstandings, conflict, and a lack of genuine connection. Our ambitions, driven by egocentric desires, can become a source of discontent, leaving us feeling unfulfilled despite achieving worldly success. Our sense of purpose becomes fragmented, lacking the grounding and stability that comes from recognizing our place within a larger, interconnected whole. We strive for personal gain, often at the expense of others and the environment, oblivious to the web of interdependence that binds us all. The experience of loneliness, a pervasive affliction of modern society, is a direct consequence of this perceived separation. We feel isolated, disconnected, and alone in a world that appears increasingly fragmented and impersonal. This feeling of isolation can manifest in various ways, leading to anxiety, depression, and a general sense of unease and dissatisfaction. We seek solace in fleeting pleasures, temporary connections and distractions, constantly searching for something to fill the void created by this deep-seated sense of separation. Yet, beneath the surface of this illusion, a deeper truth resides. The experience of profound connection with nature, with other human beings, or even with the seemingly inanimate world, suggests a reality beyond the limitations of our individual perception. Moments of awe and wonder, feelings of deep empathy and compassion, and experiences of transcendent joy hint at an underlying unity, a fundamental interconnectedness that transcends the boundaries of the self. These glimpses of unity serve as powerful reminders that the perceived divide between self and God is not an absolute reality, but rather a temporary veil obscuring the deeper truth of our interconnected existence. Consider, for instance, the experience of profound love. When we deeply love someone, the sense of separateness dissolves. There is a merging of consciousness, a feeling of unity that transcends the boundaries of the individual self. This experience, albeit temporary, offers a tangible glimpse into the possibility of a more unified state of being. Similarly, experiences in nature, such as the feeling of being immersed in a forest or standing on a mountaintop, can evoke a sense of awe and interconnectedness, a feeling of being part of something much larger than oneself. These experiences, however fleeting, suggest that the perceived separation is not a fixed reality, but a mutable perception, a mental construct that can be altered with greater awareness.